got this new drip they been waiting for. Shit wanna fuck, taking panties off. Just bought a new whip and it's paid for. I just been working out, take no days off. I got this new drip, my diamonds be too lit. Just hop in this two-seat, my life is a movie.
What's up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. It's been like over 2 whole months since I filmed a video, but I'm back. I'm just gonna get into this video. Before we do, it's gonna be like a chit chat get ready with me, but hair edition because it's too damn hot to put on makeup. Before I get into like my little spiel, we're gonna be doing a half up, half down. It's gonna be super quick. It's from Sensationnel. I don't even think I have the packaging no more. Nope. It's by Sensationnel and it's their half up, half down. I got the straight version. I'll be sure to link it down below. Get right into this video. I know my hair probably look a hot ass mess under here. Alright. Oh shit. First and foremost, I'm back home in Chicago. And a funny story is, I actually I came here during spring break with the impression of staying for 1 freaking week. And I've been here since March, so 3 months and counting. And you know that's not a problem, but I just feel like the one time that I didn't overpack, this bullshit happens. Y'all, Corona put a hold to a lot of stuff. So yeah, I just been here since the start of COVID. And a lot of people have been asking me like, am I gonna go back to LA? Actually, a lot of people been asking about room tours and all that stuff, and I'm just like, at this point, I won't be seeing LA no time soon. And it's not even just because of Corona. I've already had this like in my mind. There's like so much drawing me back home, like from opportunities, clientele, deaths. It's just been a lot of stuff like drawing me back home. And me personally, I just feel like LA is not really the place for me. I had to go out there to realize like I had more opportunities back home type, you know. But I am going to go back to LA because it's great for business. As far as me staying there long term, I doubt it. And that's like a whole nother video in itself. I was out there for dance. If you don't know, like I got accepted into the school, and like last year I was just at a point where I was so ready to leave Chicago. Like I'm just like, oh my fucking god, I need to get on, I need to go. And I kind of had destination happiness, which is why I up and left so fast. And that's like the worst thing you could do to yourself. So y'all, don't do it. Like I was under the impression like, damn, I'm ready to get, I'm just so over Chicago. When I get to LA, blah 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 blah, this is gonna happen, I'm gonna live a better life. No, I just feel like it was the same shit, different location type. Only thing is, I'm coming out of pocket for it, and that's another thing. Like you gotta save. I didn't even save for LA. Like I just up and left. I managed to, you know, stay above water, but like it was just a struggle for sure. I was just sacrificing a lot of stuff actually for dance, but I mean I'll go through it again. I just feel like I will be more prepared now. My dance goals, I plan to travel a lot. LA was just like the first stop on my list. I do plan to go to Miami. I do plan to go to Atlanta, New York, all of those little prominent places for dance. I want to go to all of those places and train. But I honestly feel like Atlanta is, yeah, that's the one right there. I'll probably stay in Atlanta like long term. Like I said, it was a lot of stuff just pulling me back home. It's just like, oh my god. Sometimes you really do need to go somewhere else to realize like you just need to be home. And I feel like, yeah, I just need to be home in Chicago, but I could also be more proactive here, like in terms of the dance community and all that stuff. I've never really been so heavily invested, but now I'm going to be. Like I'm like, damn, I could be doing the same shit back home. That was my thoughts most of the time with LA. That dance scene out there is completely different, but like I said, that's a whole nother video in itself because it's so complex. And then the biggest thing that was pulling me back home, I have a new addition to the family. I have a little sister now, and let me just tell you, I'm gonna just give y'all a little story time. So I came home for Christmas, and you know how it go with opening gifts and shit. My mom gives all 3 of us, me and my older sister, my younger brother, she gives us all a freaking box. And we're thinking like they're Apple Watches. But no, it was a fucking pregnancy test and it was positive. But yeah, my mom was pregnant. She had the baby like not too long ago. Her birthday is July 8th, so she's fairly new. But y'all, like, she's so freaking cute. Like I was there the whole time. Like she went into labor. Well, her water broke at home. I'm gonna insert the little clips because I was so excited. We couldn't even, what you call it? Her water broke at home, and then went to the hospital and all that good stuff. We stayed there for a good day. Like, she literally snuck out. Like, we were thinking we finna be there a whole nother day. She said, nope, it's time, I'm here. Yeah, she snuck on out. I cut the umbilical cord. It was just so nice. And she was giving us attitude the minute she came out. Like, that little baby is so freaking funny. She got a lot of freaking personality already. Very freaking sassy. But yeah, overall, just like so bittersweet because like we just lost her dad like 3 months ago to a motorcycle accident, and that was just like the only thing that was on my mind, like her not being able to meet him ever. And yeah, that was just going through my head the entire time when she got here because like she looks exactly, she has his whole face, and I just knew my mom was thinking about the same thing. So like it was just, yeah, being there and having that moment, it was just like so like wow. But she's here and I'm so excited. I just feel like I have a child now. Like, this is the first time where I actually like, I mean, other than my cousin, because my cousin had a baby and this was like a year. Trumpy will be like 2 in November, and I was there for her birth as well. But it's different because like she doesn't live with us. Like, I actually have a newborn at the house, you know, so we all have to adjust to her type shit. Like, she's taking over like half of the house, all of her stuff, and yeah, just being adjusted to her schedule and all of that good stuff. It's just very new. Like with my little brother, I wasn't old enough to really understand, so now that I am, it's just like, yeah, I have a child now. I can't go out, guys, I have a child. I hope you guys are like staying healthy, staying safe during this trying time. I've been doing a lot of like reflecting. I've been doing a lot of reading, and I don't know, I just like, honestly, I'm kind of thankful for Corona, not the actual virus, because like people are out here dying. I'm just very thankful that, like, I don't know, I just feel like the whole world is on pause. Like, we're living in a movie type shit. But I am very thankful for being able to stay home and reflect, because I just feel like I've been doing a lot of running around. I was able to reevaluate my goals, rethink a lot of stuff, and like I probably would never got that chance had this not happened, like this little pandemic. But yeah, I reflected a lot, and yeah, I just have so many plans coming up regardless of this goddamn pandemic. Like, that it has to be done, and one of them is I'm going to start my own company, so be on the lookout, y'all. I was already on my vision board at the beginning of this year. I'm on some Rihanna type shit. Like, I don't want to be known for just one thing, you know. I have a lot of freaking talents, and sometimes I'm very overwhelmed because I feel like I don't put enough time into everything that I'm able to do. I've just been working on trying to incorporate it all, because I'm a firm believer in, if you have that talent, you gotta use that shit. Don't let none of your talent go to waste. So when y'all see me doing everything in the book, just know how I did the back of my hair. It's probably messy as hell. Hopefully y'all can see it. I put this big ass braid across because I want the comb to go right through there. So yeah, just very loose cornrows to the back. I've been doing a lot of reading too. A lot of Wattpad reading, ain't gonna lie. I love Wattpad. I've been reading this book for a while. Not even for a while, because it's not a long book at all, but I always go back and revisit it. It's The 7 Spiritual Laws of Success. It's by Deepak Chopra. That is a very good read. I encourage you all to go check that out. Free online, free PDF. And like, it'll change your whole aspect. Like, it'll change your whole approach on life. It's very good. So far, this hair looks shiny as hell. Hopefully I can pull it off. Follow me on Instagram, y'all. I've been trying to become an Instagram model. Hopefully I can get some looks together. I really do just need to work on consistency. That's always been a big issue with me on Instagram. Like, I just cannot, for the life of me, post consistently on Instagram. But I'm about to start, so make sure y'all follow me on there. I would greatly appreciate it. Let's talk about my YouTube channel. I have plans for this channel, for real. And it's not just makeup and hair related anymore. I plan to give you guys vlogs. I also want to start this series on my channel, and I'm also going to incorporate my fitness, because let me tell y'all, there's this lady I follow on Instagram by the name of Chanel, and when I tell you, she's literally my dream body. She literally has the ideal build because I kind of see myself in her already. So I joined her fitness. Team, Coco Fitness, and I'm actually gonna start. I'm gonna start holding myself accountable because at this point, ain't no reason for it to be taking like $60 a month, and I'm not really using it. So I'm actually gonna start doing it. Y'all probably thinking like, damn, you girl, you don't need no goddamn. You don't need to do nothing. Your body is perfect, but you know how it is. There's always something we see that you guys don't. So I'm gonna just finish the video out because there's not much left I have to do. So all I have to do is just pop this bad baby on.
Hey yo, friend, let's go.
Okay, so the half wig in the back has 2 combs. Well, 2 combs at the top and then a comb at the bottom with the adjustable the pull string thingy. And then I don't even know how many combs the ponytail part has, but hold on, because this little top knot is kind of cute. Okay, y'all, so I have a little dilemma because this only has 1 comb. The ponytail part only have 1 comb, and I'm assuming that it goes like this, but your girl ain't got no freaking, I don't have no bobby pins or nothing. So yeah, I'm gonna wrap it like this, and then they have the portion that's wraps around to conceal this little band. So I'm gonna just do it like that, and hopefully it don't come off. Just gonna flat iron it because while the flips are cute, that wasn't the look I was going for.
Hey yo, friend, let's go.
I think something is off. Something is crooked. I can't see it, but it looks crooked in the camera. It's the end of the video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed sitting in during my little TED talk. This half up, half down is again from Sensationnel. I got it from Sam's Beauty. I will be sure to link it below. Let me know what you guys think because I think it's very cute, super simple. You can definitely like complete the look with, you know, a 2-piece set, something vintage. It's a look. Depending on what you wear, it's definitely a look. Don't forget to follow me on my social media platforms. Like, comment, and subscribe to that bell button so that you are aware of when I post. And as always, I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.